Why crazy?
God come and take me out this side of the road. I don't wanna live it no more. I don't move around and they gon' kill me in my home. The ones you known to be around, not on my side. I don't fuck with niggas, never did. Why would I lie? Big dog, who you got me fucked up? That nigga know he tried. I move by results, not by friends or things that's televised. Up boys, down, handed like me, nigga, I ain't never hiding. I'm in that Billy, me and my youngest son. He too young to understand, but we still having our one-on-ones. Ecclesiastes, I told him everything done under the sun. They'll kill you when you speak the truth, thug you when you play. I died a date and I'ma leave right somewhere in my road. Shit. Somewhere in the Williams in a big home. Yeah. Since I been a child, they knew what I'm on. Know you see niggas dying on your iPhone. Hurting it when I smoke. I might stall, but I will never lie. No, I see, don't serve me. Truth I speak, it won't hurt me. Tell me, somebody, can you please tell me? Why the fuck I feel I'm the only speaking up and that's on my own? Before I bow down to these niggas, I have my funeral in they town. Yeah. God come and take me out this side of the road. I don't wanna live it no more. I don't move around and they gon' kill me in my home. The ones you known to be around, not on my side. I don't fuck with niggas, never did. Why would I lie? Big dog, who you got me fucked up? That nigga know he tried. I move by results, not by friends or things that's televised. Up boys, down, handed like me, nigga, I ain't never had. And it's early, got a burden on my heart and it's a burden on my mind. Suicide for pain on movies, I done seen plenty times. Tired of fucking around with groupies, folded bars and two little girls in they mind. Life misplacement, blood shooting out, now that's some shit for my eyes. Shut it down, got to my mind, I'm best friend right now. Who did it, admit it, if they get it, how to carry on with my life. Seen Pat wasn't right, but still now what the fuck I'ma do about a wife? Yeah, I left a ring through the night. My heart wouldn't act right. Trying to explain so she can leave. Fucking with these bitches trying to run you far from me. Cause if something was to happen to you, I wouldn't even want to breathe. God come and take me out this side of the road. I don't wanna live it no more. I don't move around and they gon' kill me in my home. The ones you known to be around, not on my side. I don't fuck with niggas, never did. Why would I lie? Big dog, who you got me fucked up? That nigga know he tried. I move by results, not by friends or things that's televised. Up boys, down, handed like me, nigga, I ain't never hiding. Never hiding. Fuck.
Out with the old, in with the free. Right now, new app users can get a free Wendy's breakfast sandwich with purchase in the app. So say adios to your old breakfast and say hello to the breakfast you've really been craving. Limited time only at participating U.S. Wendy's. Valid for new users only. App download and account registration required. Terms apply.
Searching for a new laptop? One loaded with premium features? Best Buy has just the type. Right now, save up to $300 on select Lenovo laptops with Intel Core processors.